Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. This is the update from Veda IIT. So if you are looking about VLSI related career, this video is for you. And this is the sponsored training. It's going to be conducted by Veda IIT. So see here, no course fees required for this training. Okay, this is going to be a free training. You know that the VLSI training institutes provide you the 6-month training. Basically that is a PG diploma course, postgraduate diploma course. The duration would be 5 to 6 months, but the other training institute take charges from you, and the course fee may be 70,000 to 1.5 lakh. For the Veda IIT, this is sponsored training, no course fee is required there. And the number of seat maximum 100, so you can expect around 100 seats, and duration is going to be 20 week, 6 days per week. Only Sunday will be the holiday, and timing 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is the timing for training, and the training will start from February 8, 2021. Mode of duration online offline both will be there most probably, and the location of training, that is Hyderabad, and certificate awarded by Veda IIT Training Institute, and placement opportunity you may also get. And if you can check the placement record of Veda IIT, so that is around almost 100% placement is there. So if you complete this course, you will going to get a very good placement opportunity obviously. And the syllabus test for syllabus: basic electronics, digital design, combinational sequential number system, C programming, and aptitude. Okay, now see the eligibility criteria. Who are eligible for this course: BE VTech or ME MTech in electronics, electrical, computer science. Okay, electronics means electronics and communication engineering, and electrical and electronics engineering, also electrical engineering and computer science engineering. Students are eligible for this course. So 65% marks is required. Okay, 65%, and no backlog, that is mentioned here. Verification of original certificates will be at the time of interview. Okay, and pass out student 2018, 19 and 2020. And the important thing here, it is mentioned that who are going to complete their course within January 2021, they also can apply. So actually the BTech students who are in the final year, I think they may not be eligible, as because their course will not be completed within January 2021. Okay, so basically 18, 19 and 2020 pass out student, they are eligible. Now information about Veda IIT is written here, you can read this. Now see about the mode of examination. First will be prelims test. Okay, the prelims test will contain basically aptitude and basic electronics. Okay, aptitude and basic electronics, and the date of examination is 23rd January 2021, 9 to 11 a.m. The venue is Veda IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so first prelim test will be a CBT test, computer based test. Basically MCQ and short answer type questions will be there. Then if you qualify the prelims test, you have to appear in main exam, that will be a pen paper based test. Shortlisted candidates in prelims will be eligible for main test, and the date is January 23rd. Okay, so in the same day prelims and main test will be there. If you can clear the prelims test, you will get a SMS from Veda IIT that you are eligible to appear in the main exam. Okay, mains exam will be also at Veda IIT Hyderabad. At last, if you can clear the main exam, interview will be there from January 25. Okay, 25th January interview will be there, same location Veda IIT Hyderabad, and the interview will be conducted both for technical interview as well as for HR interview. Okay, now question is how to apply. I am going to show you from the official website of Veda IIT that how to apply. This site vedait.org, open this site. This is the official website, and click here apply now. Okay, now you have to enter your name, surname, date of birth, gender, father's name, You have to upload your recent passport size photograph here. You have to enter your email, mobile number, alternate contact number, your address also, and educational qualification. You are from which state, name of your college, BTech or ME Tech, you have to select from here. Okay, and the year of pass out 2018, 19, 20, 2021, and as per it is mentioned in the poster that if you are 2021 pass out, so your course should be completed within January 2021. That is mentioned in the poster. You can check it also. I will provide this link in the description box. Percentage is minimum 65% is required. Okay, so after filling the form you have to click here submit. See here the specializations: electrical, electronics and computer science. These are only eligible. Okay, so if you have any other query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box section. Okay, thank you.